How to turn on or turn off keyboard sound on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro or Pro Max. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then, on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now, in the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down, then tap on Keyboard, and then tap on the Sound toggle button to turn off or switch on keyboard sound. When it is on, then when you type on the keyboard here, it will make sound. You can hear it. So let's turn it off. Here I go back into Settings, and I'll tap on I turn off the sound. And if I bring up the keyboard here, when I type, it does not make that click sound. And that's it. Finally, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.